Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: mobile data active, sufficient allowance, and Wi-Fi on your Samsung. First, on the phone that will share internet, open settings, then connections, then mobile hotspot and tethering. Turn the hotspot on and set a clear SSID and WPA2 password. You'll need those to authenticate. Once done, make sure the hotspot's visibility and band 4 GHz versus 5 GHz suit your Samsung model. This gets your source device broadcasting and ready for pairing. Now take your Samsung and open settings, then connections, and tap Wi-Fi. Scan the list and find the hotspot SSID you configured. Select it. When prompted, enter the hotspot password exactly, since a single character mismatch blocks access. After connecting, check that the phone shows a valid IP and internet indicator. This confirms DHCP worked. If you don't see the SSID, switch the hotspot band to 4 GHz or toggle visibility. Keep Bluetooth and NFC off to reduce interference. Finish by verifying internet access. Open a browser or run a quick speed test to ensure pages load and latency is acceptable. If browsing fails, first restart both the Samsung and hotspot device, then reconnect using the saved SSID and password. Make sure battery saver or power rules aren't disabling hotspot, and confirm your carrier allows tethering on your plan. If problems persist, switch the hotspot band, reset network settings on the Samsung, or contact your provider. Those steps resolve most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.